Namaste. Greetings from Seva Darshan, Kuwait. All the challenges of life are dealt with a strong body and a calm mind. When we make our body and mind strong, we will be able to fight diseases and withstand the emotional turbulence. Seva Darshan Kuwait has been working in the field of yoga since 2005. We offer free yoga sessions through our dedicated volunteers to the community members. Let me introduce you to a yoga session by Seva Darshan Kuwait, which consists of Surya Namaskar, basic yogasanas and breathing practices called pranayama, which help us to make our body strong, boost our immunity and make our mind calm. Welcome you to the yoga session of Seva Darshan Kuwait.
Surya Namaskar. Come to the Surya Namaskar Sthiti, Samasthiti. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Surya Namaskar Mantra. Dhraya Sada Savidramandala Madhyavarte Narayana Sarasijasana Sannivishtam Keyuravan Magarakundalavan Kiridi Hari Hiranmayavapurthrata Shankha Chakra. Surya Namaskar is a combination of pranayama and yogasanas. So first we will chant the first mantra of Surya Namaskar. It is totally 13 mantras. So we will just chant one or two mantras. So first mantra is Om Mitraya Namaha. After chanting that mantra, inhale and go up to first asana, Hasta Uddhanasana, Pada Hastasana. Take the left leg back, come to then both legs back, Sashtangasana. Inhale and go up to Bhujangasana. Exhale and go to Parvatasana. Bring the same leg front, Padahastasana, Sthiti. Om Revaye Namaha. Inhale, Hasta Uddhanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Take one leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Both leg back, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Sashtanga Pranidhanasana. Urdha Mugha Shvanasana. Adho Mugha Shvanasana Parvadasana. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Padhastasana. Again to Sthiti. Once again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sthiti. Now we shall proceed to Yogasanas. First Visram Sthiti, relax your whole body. Now come to Samasthiti, bring your legs together. Jump and go to the first asana, hands both parallel to the ground. Turn your left leg to the left side, the right leg kept in 90 degrees. Go down, this is Trikonasana. Keep your hand comfortably near to the foot. Gently turn your head looking towards the other hand through the palms and the fingers. Stay in that position. Again look down. Gently come up. Inhale. Exhale. Turn your leg front and bring your legs together. Turn your leg to the other side. We'll go to the other side, right side. Turn and go down. Touch your right leg, keep your hands down to the right leg. Turn your neck and look towards your left hand. Turn down your neck. Gently come up. After completion, gently turn your right foot to the front. Come and bring your legs together. Again, bring your both hands to the hip. Pada Uttanasana. Turn your left leg towards the front. Gently tuck in your abdomen and try to touch your abdomen to the thighs and the forehead onto the knees. Inhale and come up. Exhale, unlock your upper body and turn your foot to the front. Same thing we'll do to the right side. Turn to your right foot to the right side. Lock your body to the front. Now gently go down. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Unlock your body and turn your foot to the front. Now jump and come back to the starting position. Now again jump to the next asana. This is the warrior pose. Now bring your both hands up in Namaskar Mudra. Virabhadrasana, Prahar Ek. Now gently bend your front knee to 90 degrees so that the thighs become parallel to the ground. Arch back, inhale, stay in that position, look towards your folded hands. Now come back and look front. Gently lift your leg up, make it straight. Bring your hands down. Gently unlock your body and come to the starting position by twisting your body to the front. Now the same thing we'll do to the other side. Turn and lock your body to the right side. Lift your both hands up in Namaskar Mudra. Gently bend your knees to the front, thighs parallel to the ground, 90 degree. Now look up and towards the folded hands. Stay in that position, arch your back, inhale. Normal breathing, exhale and come up. Gently drop your hands down. Turn and look to the front. Jump and come. Now adopt now Samasthiti, Vishramasana. Bring your legs together again to Samasthiti. Gently come and sit down to Vajrasana. This is a meditative posture. Now from Vajrasana we shall go to the next asana, which is Ushtrasana. Gently stand up. Keep your legs comfortably apart so that you will have balance. Gently raise your left hand up. Try to touch your left ankle. Catch hold of your left ankle. Bring the other hand. Catch hold of the other ankle. Gently drop down your neck and be in this position. This is Ushtrasana or camel posture. Try to push your pelvis to the front and maintain that position. Inhale and come up. Bring your hands to the front, both hands to the front. This is a very good asana to prevent backaches and strengthen the spine. Gently come down and sit in Vajrasana. Be comfortable there for few seconds. Now come to Dandasana or sitting position. Both hands, palms onto the side. Now gently lie down. This is Shavasana. Now gently bring your both legs towards your heels towards your buttocks. Catch hold of your ankle. We'll go for Setu Bandhasana or bridge posture. Gently lift your pelvis up. Keep your palms down on the ground or keep it holded on your ankle. Now after a few seconds, come down. This is an excellent asana to strengthen your back to prevent back pain. Now come back again to Samatala Sthiti or lying down posture. Now gently turn through any one of your side to prone position or lying down position. Head down, stretch your hands to the front. Now we'll go for Bhujangasana or Cobra posture. Bring your both hands by the side of your lower rib. Gently lift your upper body up, and after that position we'll go for Purna Bhujangasana. Now shift your whole body weight onto your hand and look up. After few seconds, come back to Ardha Bhujangasana and lie down. Again, stretch your both hands to the front. Gently turn and lie down on your back. Gently lie down with your hands and legs apart. Feel the breath, the cool air going in and the warm air coming out. The movement of your abdomen while you breathe in and breathe out. Observe your breath. Feel the calmness of your breath and lightness of your body. Gently come to a comfortable sitting position and prepare yourself for breathing practices of pranayama. Hope you would have enjoyed the yoga session with Seva Darshan, Kuwait.